Hello and welcome to NSG 4021 Gerontological Nursing Care in a Global Community. And today we're going to provide you with just a real short tutorial on how to navigate the course. When you first log into Canvas, you're going to arrive to the NSG 4021 homepage. Take a few minutes to watch this short video. It's going to provide you with a course overview. It's going to provide you with some great information on where to find your assignments, when are those due dates, and how to contact your instructor. So this is just a great video with great resources. So take some time to watch that. Once you've completed the video, if you just click here on the start button is going to take you to the welcome module. Within the welcome module will be this video as well as instructions on how to submit an interactive module assignment, provide you with a sneak peek into your capstone project, and it also will provide you with the course alignment map. The course alignment map just provides you with an outline of how the learning objectives align with the student learning outcome and the end of program student learning outcomes. We also have provided you with some great course point resources and getting started videos from the publisher. So if you run into any problems with your ebook or the interactive modules, this is just a great resource to refer to and look up any kind of questions that you have before you contact your instructor or before you contact the publisher. Use this site. It's got great resources, and it has like some information on how to troubleshoot, what web browser you should use, etc. From there, you'll see that we provide you with some library resources. Again, these are just videos on it's an introduction to the library, how to search databases, and then how to save an article that you've located. And we all know that it takes a lot of time to locate articles, and the last thing we want to do is to lose an article. We've also provided you with some writing resources. This is going to take you to Al Purdue, and Al Purdue is just a great resource for writing papers in APA style. Now, if you look here at week 1, this is set up just like all your other classes. We have the prepare module. Week 1, we have prepare section, we have explore section, discussion board section, your assignment, and the weekly reflection. And in the prepare section, it'll just give you an overview of what we'll be doing this week. So it has the weekly learning objectives, your student learning outcomes, and the program learning outcomes. It'll give you an overview of the chapters that we're going to be reading, and it provides you with some additional reading journal articles. It also will give you what is due. So we have a discussion post, an introduction post this week. We have to complete an interactive assignment. We need to review the explore section and complete the assignments and complete the self-reflection. From there, if we go back to modules, we can go into the explore section. Here there will be a video. The video is just going to be a overview of the chapters that were assigned, and then again in the explore optional reading, that is going to provide a link to those journal articles. Discussion board, this is where you will find your weekly discussions that you need to answer, and then all of your assignments that are due this week. So you have an interactive assignment for week 1, and then you have 4 V simulations that need to be completed and a week 1 reflection. And each weekly module is set up identical to this. So if you go to week 2, it would be set up just like week 1. Off to the side here, this is the home page. If you click on that, that's just going to take you back to this video. I would strongly encourage you to check your announcements daily and to also check your emails daily. There will be important information, and you can see that there's already some information here about your simulation for your NSG 4010 and 4011 courses. This is a shortcut essentially to get to the syllabus. And while I'm talking about the syllabus, you do have a syllabus quiz that you must take to get to get access to the rest of the course. So there's only 10 questions on the syllabus, and there are multiple. You have unlimited amount of time that you can take it, and you can take it more than once. But you do have to get a passing grade on the syllabus before the modules will unlock for you. If you need to review your grades or you want to, which you should want to, you can find all of your grades located here. If you want to skip the modules and just go right to the assignments and see what's due, you can go right into the assignments. And if you know, I don't know if you can see this, but your assignments are weighted, and I'll tell you the points and so forth. And then off to this side here is an email. So you can email myself, or if you need to email classmates, you can email through here. And again, I would definitely check your emails once a week or once a day. I'm sorry, not once a week, once a day, just to make sure that you don't have any pertinent information that's coming through and you don't want to miss. All right. Well, thank you very much for your time. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us or to contact us through the phone number that we provided in the welcome section. And I'll take you right back here. This is our email and our phones. Thank you and have a great 8 weeks.